انتبهوا معي. Listen please, listen. This question is an important one. عشان هيك أنا إيش I placed well in the exam, not إيش in the worksheet. Okay, fine. What we have. A ball of mass 0.3 released from rest, U equals 0. 10 meters where 2 meters above what? Above the ground. Okay. The ball moves freely under the gravity. After striking the ground, the ball rebounds. Look. After rebound, to height what? 1.5 meter. To a height 1.5 meter. Find the speed of the ball at an instant before it strikes the ground. It's easy, right? A, U0, A, negative 9.8 meter per second squared. S, negative 2. Please, we don't have time. Girls, please listen. U0, A, negative 9.8. S, negative 2 because it's moving where? Downward. We need V. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. V squared equals 0 plus 2 times minus 9.8 times what? Minus 2. So V equals, I think, 6.3, صح? As velocity, this is what? Velocity. As velocity would be negative because I took here what? The downward as negative, right? Direction. Upward is positive. Please don't forget to show the examiner these directions, please, okay? Positive direction. And as a speed, because we are asked about speed, we are asked about what? Speed. Speed equals what? 6.3. As a speed, it's 6.3. B, pay attention, girls. Pay attention. Please pay attention. It's an important question. Find the speed of the ball at the instant after it rebounds. Look, we need the speed here after it what? Rebound. We need U, right? At maximum height, V equal 0, right? V equal 0. So I will use the same equation. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. We need the speed at the instant what? At the instant after it rebounds, right? At the instant after it rebounds. Yani we need U, V0, S 1.5. 0 equals U squared plus 2 times minus 9.8 times what? 1.5. As what you mentioned before, the acceleration is always negative 9.8, whatever the direction of motion. Whatever the direction of motion. So U here, I think 5.3 meter per second for, I think 3. Okay, meter per second. Clear? 4? Okay, 4. 5.4 meter per second. Pay attention, pay attention. Until now, nothing is in you. D, right? Sketch the speed in the space provided. Velocity, what? Time graph. Velocity, what? Time graph. Pay attention, please. To sketch velocity time graph, I may construct a table, right? Time, what? Velocity. I may construct this table. It will simplify, so we can use it to figure out how we will sketch this graph. Just a moment. Initially, time 0, velocity is what? 0. Right? Strikes the ground. Right? At the moment when it strikes the ground, the velocity is what? Negative 6.3. Be careful, negative. Okay? Because we're asked about velocity time. Velocity what? Time. Then, rebound, right? It rebounds with the speed at dash velocity. 5.4. At maximum height,
0.
At maximum height, V0. When this ball returns again to the ground,
It will have the same velocity.
minus 5.4. Guys, pay attention, it's an important point. We discussed that before. Pay attention, please. Pay attention. Pay attention. The ball will return to the ground by the same velocity, by the same speed, sorry. By the same speed, but different direction. Right? By the same speed. So it will hit the ground again.
Negative 5.4.
Yes, hits the ground again. Negative velocity.
5.4.
Negative 5.4. Again, it leaves the ground by 5.4. It hits the ground again by 5.4, but in the opposite direction. How can we draw velocity time? Pay attention. Don't forget label the axes. Velocity, meters per second. Time is what? Seconds. Based on the information given, طلع معي please. Pay attention. I will plot the points only. I will plot what? The points. First one, 0. The second point where strikes the ground somewhere. Hey. What is this velocity? Negative 6.3. Immediately it rebounds. After striking the ground, صح? Immediately it will rebound. يعني at the same moment it rebound. طلعوا كيف عمل. قديش صارت هون؟ 5.4. And I'm just plotting the points, the velocities that I have at each moment. Initially it starts at 0, right? Then after a certain time, I don't know, it strikes the ground. Immediately, let's mention this, immediately it rebounds, right? Yani at the same moment, its speed changes from 6.3 to what? 5.4. Then 0 and 0. Then what? Negative 5.4 here somewhere. This is what? Minus 5.4. Okay? I just what? Plot the points, then connect them. طبعا هون nothing صح؟ هذا بيجي.
We're not supposed to combine.
لأنه immediately كأنه ما there يعني there's no moment between them. Okay يعني يعني sudden change, right? We have what? Sudden change where and
We don't draw a line there.
yeah, we don't draw a line. Yes. We don't draw what? A line. Clear? This is the sketch. The part E is it's easy, right? Part E, it's easy.
How much did you get?
Okay, can I raise the board? Yes. بس خلينا نحل فور لأنه it's an important one.
we have biology after this.
عندنا امتحان. كيف البيولوجي معكم؟ البيولوجي؟ أنا كنت بحلم دكتورة. بس الله سامحنا اليوم لحد ما حكيت من البراكتيكال. شو الأيام البرايم شو ليس اللي عندنا؟
Guys, I'm trying always عشان تعرفوا بالإكزام بحاول دائما تكون any new idea. Okay, دائما بحاول أحطها بالإكزام. Okay. لا عشان يعني أول شيء بالامتحان بتتذكري بالاكسترنال انه هاي الايديا مرقت معك بامتحان مو بورك شيت لانه لما تخسري علامه بتتوجع. بطلنا نتوجع. طيب طلع question 4 guys. question 4 تحبط الواحد والله احباط. جماعه question 4 والله مهم. طب remind me please Zahar. Remind me to do question 4.